Are you looking to buy a new car key or a new remote for your vehicle and find out that it's really expensive? Well, I'm Mike with Tomahawk DIY, and I've got a solution for you. So keep watching the short video to learn how you can save big money. So I called my local dealer and found it was really expensive. Then I called Toyota dealers around the country for this Sienna and found it was going to cost between $250 and $470 to get a new key and a new remote. Miami, I'm talking about you at that, almost $500. I also called some locksmiths in cities around the country and found prices between $150 and $200 for a set of key and remote. That's just way too expensive. You can save big money by programming your car key and your remote yourself. I'm excited to be launching a product soon that will allow you to program your key and remote quite easily. I invite you to go visit my website, GetKeys.info, so you can be notified when this product becomes available. You also have the option to receive email notifications whenever my YouTube channel, Tomahawk DIY, launches a new video that can help save you more money. Don't forget to go visit GetKeys.info so you can receive notification when this product becomes available so you can program your own key and remote.